Sitaram, Ramayanam via paintings. Painting 84, Panchavati and meeting Jatayu. On the way to Panchavati, Rama saw a big eagle. Rama enquired him and he was excited on seeing them and told his name was Jatayu and his brother was Sampati, and he told also he was a close friend of Dasharatha. He narrated that story and promised Rama that he would guard Sita whenever Rama and Lakshmana were away from the ashram. Rama and Lakshmana found a suitable place near river Godavari, and Lakshmana built an ashram. Enchanted with Lakshmana's skill in building it, Rama embraced him and told him that he was seeing Dasharatha in the form of Lakshmana. They lived there for so many days without any disturbance. During the winter season, one day, while they were bathing in the river Godavari, Lakshmana was reminded of Bharata bathing in the cold waters of Sarayu river. Both Rama and Lakshmana were immersed in talking about the olden days. Thus, they spent peaceful days in Panchavati. Sitaram. Sitaram, Ramayanam via paintings, painting 85, Shurpanaka. So many happy days passed by in Panchavati. One day, a demoness, that is a Rakshasi by name Shurpanaka, came there by chance. She was the sister of Ravana. On seeing Rama, she looked at him again and again, and his handsomeness made her fall in love with him. This ugly woman wanted the handsome man. What a contrast between the two! She went near Rama and inquired how they had come to this Dandaka forest, the dwelling place of the Rakshasas. Rama narrated his story and inquired about her. She told her story and also replied that her two brothers, Kara and Dushana, were also living there. Other than Ravana, Kumbhakarna and Vibhishana, who were her brothers. She felt that Sita was not fit to be the wife of Rama and asked Rama to marry her. Thereupon, Rama wanted to get rid of her and so started making fun of her along with Lakshmana and asked her to marry Lakshmana as he was not married. Not realizing their joke, Shurpanaka went near Lakshmana and asked him to marry her. She thought Sita was a hindrance, so she rushed towards Sita. Sitaram. Sitaram, Ramayanam via paintings. Painting 86, Lakshmana and Shurpanaka. Sita was frightened of the Rakshasi. Rama could not bear to see this sight. He immediately asked Lakshmana to punish Shurpanaka as he had realized it to be wrong to sport with a wicked person. Lakshmana took his sword and snipped the tips of the nose and ears of Shurpanaka. She ran into the forest screaming with pain. Sitaram.